What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a new pickup. Just came in the mail today. This was released last week. Got it from Nike. As you can see with the tape, just do it. Seal for customer satisfaction. Gonna go ahead and open this box up and get right into it. Now, I hit these on sneakers. The sneakers app, I always seem to hit on something that I don't want. When it's something I really want, I never can get through with it. But without further ado, we got the Jordan 3 Varsity Royal, Jordan 3 Royal Cements, whatever you want to call them. Of course, the box has the cement print all the way around. Jordan logo with air. You got your QR code, your size, your barcode, your description, Air Jordan 3 Retro, your size, price. On top, we got the red Jumpman logo, as always. Inside, we got the paper, which has the elephant print on there. These are fresh. Go ahead, take these out so we can check for defects. Now, these are almost like the DJ Khaled WE the Best pair. So, me personally, I'm not big on threes, but we'll get into this. Black laces, blue upper, gray sole, white and black midsole, elephant print on the tongue and on the heel. Little string right here, nothing major. That's common. You can cut that with fingernail clippers. Another string. Another string right here. A scuff right here, and it looks a little dirty. It's nothing major. It's cool. It'll pass. Slight defect. You have to look hard to see. Let's see. That's just a little dirt. So far, so good. No glue stains appearing. Let's see, we got one. Real small, you can't see it. Let's try to see this right here. I don't know if that's a spot they missed painting. Pretty sure it is. And right here around the air bubble, don't know if y'all can catch that, but it's like a glob of paint right here. In the back, you can see this line right there. That's done poorly. Let's check out the right shoe. Good. No glue stains. A little bit right here, you can see the little color difference. There you go. Got a little spot right there. Got a little paint on the air bubble. All in all, these came out pretty good. Got a little scuff right there on the back right here. Right here. The paint. All that's it's hard to see to zoom in and focus, but this is black, that's white. On this black piece at the front, you can see it right there. This whole piece is supposed to be black, but it's white. this piece right here is like texture, like paint chipping almost. Check the bottom. Come on now. These dead stock, fresh out the box. Haven't even touched the floor. Got a stain right there. Stain right there. And a little bit on the blue. Let's check the other shoe. That ain't no good. Okay, this one's fine. So royal blue cements, or cement blues, whatever you want to call them. They look just like the DJ Khaled WE the Best customs that came out a couple years ago. The back on the heel tab, this isn't white. It's like a little off-white. I think all in all, this is a good color. And then it comes with black laces already laced up, ready to go, with 2 extra pair, a white pair and a blue pair, of course, to match the shoe, to match the sole and the midsole. So you can switch it up and do 1 black lace, 1 blue, 1 white, 1 blue, however you want to do it, whatever you feel looks good. But yeah, royal blue cement 3s. First look, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.